SDT Simulator Driver Training is a division of Safe Drive Training, one of Asia Pacific's leading driver training providers. We offer affordable driving simulators that are assembled in our Brisbane Head Office. SDT simulators are now in use across Australia and are expanding into international markets due to their affordable price, unique features, and customisation for driver training. The SDT 21B Driver Training Simulator is a compact sled-style frame that is an affordable and professional simulator system for driving schools, high schools, or organisations seeking to train novice through to experienced drivers. What you get is a unit with triple 27-inch gaming monitors that are mounted to the frame, an adjustable leather-look driver's seat that slides in and out and reclines, a real 3-point inertia reel car seatbelt that is detected by the software, a force feedback steering wheel and pedals with their sensitivity being adjustable in the software, a real car handbrake that is also detected by the software, the option of a motion platform that mounts under the driver's seat to simulate the forces of braking, accelerating and cornering, a gear lever that can be set for manual, clutchless manual or automatic, a Windows-based PC with powerful graphics card, extra cooling fan and external speakers, panels around the simulator which are customised with your logo or your sponsor's logo incorporated into the artwork, lockable caster wheels for moving or affixing the simulator. With the side screens removed, the frame can roll through a standard doorway or hallway. A wireless keyboard for the instructor to make changes to the simulation, such as changing the weather or turning on emergency scenarios or vehicle problems. The simulator frame can be assembled as a left-hand drive or right-hand drive unit. The simulator has triple 27-inch gaming monitors, and their proximity gives the driver a realistic view of driving. The instrument panel of the vehicle selected is authentically replicated and works on screen, and the buttons and control pads on the steering wheel are programmed for the various vehicle controls. To keep our simulators affordable, we use gaming steering wheels, pedals and gear lever. This also means there is a replacement warranty, and over time, should this system need replacing or upgrading, another gaming steering wheel can be installed without the need to return the simulator to the factory for repairs. The 21B frame has branding panels for your organisation's logo or sponsor's logo that will be incorporated into the artwork. The next step up from the 21B model is the 21C. This has a partially enclosed seam-welded metal frame with a lift handle and keyboard shelf at the rear and trolley wheels at the front. The buyer gets to choose the colour of the powder coating for the frame, and there are larger sticker panels for branding. The stickers are included in the purchase price, allowing the buyer to customise and theme their simulator with their program name and sponsors' logos. The 21C is a better option for portability, and SDT can supply an enclosed trailer if required. The 21C also comes standard with a larger diameter steering wheel and upgraded gear lever system. This control unit can also be added as an optional extra to the 21B simulator. The top of the range is the 21D simulator that features a Traction Plus motion platform and triple 32-inch external screens. This simulator is only suited for installation in a permanent fixed location. All SDT simulators use a licensed version of City Car Driving Enterprise Edition software that is made for commercial and business applications. Internet connection is not required. City car driving supports many different languages, which changes the on-screen instructions and road signage. The student can choose to drive many passenger cars, a delivery van, small truck, passenger bus, or four-wheel drive with low-range off-road gearing. The vehicle colour can be chosen, a trailer can be added. Many of the vehicles are available as left-hand drive or right-hand drive. The transmission type can be selected and the type of braking system chosen. The one copy of the software received allows all driving orientations: left-hand drive on the right side of the road, right-hand drive on the right side of the road, right-hand drive on the left side of the road, and left-hand drive on the left side of the road. The season and weather conditions can be selected: summer, autumn, winter and spring, daytime, nighttime, sun glare, rain, fog, snow, ice, dust, and humid conditions are all possible. During the simulation, the time of day and weather can be changed without needing to restart or reload. Also, the traffic volumes, aggression of the drivers, and number of pedestrians can be adjusted. A unique feature of the software is the ability to trigger emergency scenarios to test a driver's reactions when faced with a potential crash. Using the keyboard, the instructor can make other vehicles crash, vehicles ahead brake suddenly, vehicles cross into the oncoming lane, and pedestrians run onto the road. The instructor can also introduce mechanical problems with the vehicle and cause breakdowns. Problems include a brake failure, overheating engine, low fuel, and tyre puncture. The errors and infringements made by the driver are shown on the screen, and each driver has their records saved in their profile for every driving session. This can be exported and printed. Four-wheel drive off-road driving is simulated, with high-range and low-range gears changing the vehicle's performance. Different weather conditions change the traction available. Each vehicle can be set up to tow with an empty or loaded trailer, and trailer reversing is simulated. Another unique feature is the impaired driving mode, to simulate alcohol or drug impairment. This mode can be turned on, and this blurs the vision, affects the steering, and makes the image sway. The simulator can be used to teach physics in motion elements like Newton's laws of motion, coefficients of friction, kinetic energy, and braking distances. Depending on the simulator model being purchased, you will receive a range of training resources to help you to facilitate quality driver education. SDT is the exclusive distributor of Fatal Vision alcohol impairment goggles, marijuana simulation goggles, and drowsy and distracted blinking goggles. All are used to demonstrate the dangers of such impairments on the driver. Also available are driver training posters, driving handbooks, and distracted driving resources. Our simulators make the perfect training tool for drivers to experience how various impairments affect their performance. Simulator buyers also get access to a comprehensive e-learning program. There are 26 modules with over 4 hours of theory content. Each module has a questionnaire to assess competency. Users can log in and out as often as needed as they progress through the program. This content is not basic learn to drive information. The modules cover subjects not addressed in the licensing system, and we have filmed unique experiments and even crashed vehicles to help develop the amazing content. Subscribers will learn about driving in different weather conditions, loading their vehicle correctly, vehicle dynamics, checking their tyres and engine fluids. They will learn about sharing the road, dealing with road rage, vehicle security, carjackings, breakdowns, and the impairments from alcohol, drugs, fatigue, and distractions. Modules also cover the many misunderstood road rules that even experienced drivers don't understand. There is so much to cover because our licensing system provides such limited training. Many young drivers are simply taught to pass a test and therefore not trained in essential defensive driving. The e-learning program targets the real behavioural causes that lead to crashes. That is, to address why drivers speed or do foolish actions caused by inexperience, overconfidence, risk-taking and peer influence. With 25 years of driver training experience behind us, we are so proud of this e-learning program. It covers so much information that is missing from a driver's development. It improves our training delivery and is very affordable. Our motto is that safe drivers are lifesavers. If your organisation shares this belief and are planning to improve driver education in your community, SDT Simulator Driver Training has the solution. Many of our simulator users are also gaining a revenue stream by taking their simulators to events and schools for driver education programs. The system can also be set up to run motorsport simulation. Many leading racing drivers are now using simulators to improve their skills. Such software can also be used to show drivers they are not as skilled as they think they are. Contact Simulator Driver Training for more information.